Today I'm going to show you how to mount a tablet holder on a Permobil power chair. So what I have here is, this is your mounting bracket, so you should have one of these. We've got our Omni Control Arm here, and the way this works is to get it to lock into place, you will push this up, it'll snap right here. If you want to move it out of place again, you will push this metal piece forward, and now you can adjust it. So it'll sit in your arm like this. If you want to adjust this control arm, there's a 1/2 inch nut here you would loosen with a wrench, and then you can go forward, backward, in and out. And then same thing with this one, which I will go over in a second. And I've also got my tablet holder that I'm going to install. So for the tablet holder in specific, I actually need to remove this piece right here, because the tablet holder is going to go in there. So I'm going to start with a 1/2 inch wrench and loosen that, and it should pop right out. That way, so later I can install the tablet holder through there and then tighten it. So I'm going to start with our mounting bracket. It looks like this, and it's going to go into the Permobil arm through these 2 sliding rails. You can have it on the outside, you can have it on the inside, whichever way you want it to go. I'm going to try to get it in the center of the arm. Then it should just slide in through the rails. And then wherever you want it, I've got a 5mm Allen wrench. I'm just going to tighten it. And your Permobil probably comes with a toolkit with the right size wrench for this. So just tighten these 2 screws. There we go, that's not going to move. Now I'm going to stick in the Omni Control Arm. There it goes, it should just slide in. And then you can tighten it wherever you want it, if you want it further out or further in. I'm going to set it right there. And then we're just going to tighten this screw, same size Allen. There we go, and that is secure. So I'm going to tilt this down. There we go. And in order to mount this little post here will go in through this hole. And it is loose because we loosened this nut on the other side. So that's going to mount in there. And then with our 1/2 inch wrench on the other side, we're going to tighten that nut again. And there's our tablet holder. There's another 1/2 inch nut on this side. If you want to adjust that, you can. No, other way. See, I can tilt it in, out, up, down, wherever you have it, you can just tighten it again. And there you are. We have a tablet holder mounted onto a Permobil.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.